Hello everyone. I hope you all are in good health. We are bringing you all this certificate course on the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016, which will let you know about the intricacies of the insolvency and bankruptcy laws in India. Although insolvency and bankruptcy laws in India have always found their place in various other statutes like the Companies Act and the SARFAESI Act. However, recently in 2016, all of those laws were brought under one roof and encapsulated in the form of Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code of 2016. The question remains, what was the need when we already had the existing regime in place? Through this course, we will let you know about the overall legislative intent behind bringing the Code of 2016, along with the various provisions which relate to the insolvency and bankruptcy laws in India. We will also do a comparative analysis of the pre-2016 regime that was existing in India with the post coming into force of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016. Alongside encapsulating the relevant amendments that have taken place till now, through a separate module we will also share with you relevant case laws that have been developed so far, and also discuss those relevant case laws, and also discuss how the law has changed over the period of time since the enactment of this Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code. So it is needless to say that we will also share with you a definitive timeline that has been prescribed under the code itself, relating to the filing of the applications under the code till the culmination of those proceedings under the Act. And those timelines will help us understand the intent behind having this regime in place when there was already existing laws in India. Now let us speak about how this course will be structured. This course has been spread out for a duration of 4 weeks, at the end of which you all will be given a certificate by the organizers about the completion of the certificate course. Now, during the course of the lectures, each candidate will be given a specific time to raise any questions or concerns if they have relating to the lecture that has just taken place. So in that way, everybody gets a chance to clear all their doubts. To this course, we will also provide you with various modules which will give you a literature on discussions that we will be making during the course of our lectures. And those modules will not only include the commentary or the substantive discussions on each sections which are relevant for the litigants, but it will also include discussions on various amendments that have taken place till now.